In this video, I would discuss the techniques of camping out of a small car like an MGB. When considering small car camping, space is the number one thing you have to consider. Is it in the trunk? Is it behind the seats? Or exactly where are you going to put all your gear? I use vacuum bags to store all my clothes, and I put them behind my seat. Those two bags that you see are actually all the clothes I took on a 3-week trip. In this picture, you can see all my gear that I took on my trip to Canada. A sleeping bag, a tent, a small little axe, my extra parachute cord for my tarps, a sleeping mat for inside the tent, a water purification system, the tarp, and even bear spray, which is right next to my extra tent poles. Anyway, right now, I found this beautiful little campground right on the shores of the St. Lawrence River, and it's like really cool. Okay, let's get down to serious talk about camping. Real important here. If you're going to do car camping and you're going to do a tent, is to look for a tent that has adequate ventilation. So this tent, you can see, is all waterproofing down here. You got your Tyvek ground sheet down there. That's the best to get. It's lightweight, but most important is to get a tent that has screen for, of course, for the bugs, but it's for the condensation. So this is the best tent that I have found that has ventilation all the way around. So this morning when I was woke up, the first thing I looked for was any kind of condensation inside the tent. This tent had zero, absolutely none. Why? Ventilation. Show you my campground. So located right here, of course, is my picnic table. That is my coffee maker. So what you do with the coffee maker is you just put a K-cup in there, and you boil the water up in there, pour the water, this little plunger comes out, you pour the water in there, and then you just push down on the plunger and makes a cup of coffee. Well, so that is a Travel Berkey water purifier. It has a carbon ceramic filter in it, and that takes out viruses, bacteria, everything. Makes 99% pure water. My whole setup. So if you're wondering what the bottom white cloth is, that is a Tyvek. So that is a ground sheet, keeps the bugs out, protects the bottom of the tent. So the tent is a really cool tent. Did a lot of research on that. You have 4 corners of the tent has screen on it. And then, of course, it has a tent fly. I have the tent fly pulled back right now. So why little car camping? Because it's fun. It's what it's all about.